Hello family, my name is Black Phoenix. I'm the owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of HogOn University. And I just wanted to give you a brief update to check out the website at HogOnWelding.com. That's HogOnWelding.com. And if you're in the area of Southeast Arkansas or anywhere around the country and you want to come in to get some independent welding courses, make sure you hit me up. My email is HogOnWelding@gmail.com. That's HogOnWelding@gmail.com. Or you can hit me up on my business line. That's 870-501-1974. 870-501-1974. Right now, I have 3 courses that are very, very hot in the area. They range from $750 to $1,500. The $1,500 course is actually a combo course. You're going to learn MIG welding and stick welding. At the $1,000 course, you'll even learn MIG welding and fitting, or stick welding and fitting, or flux core welding and fitting. And at the $750 course, you're actually going to learn MIG welding, flux core, or stick welding, whichever one you prefer. I try to cater the prices to the area to help the need. There's no reason to break the bank to learn a great skill that can actually help you start a career or help you start a business. And it don't take a whole lot, but it does take something. So invest in yourself and get your HogOn family. I'm out.